there, my name is Connie Farlow and I'm a project manager here at imageOne. One of the most important things to look at when considering a managed print service provider would be the service. So asking about the tech team. How prompt are they? How quickly do they get on site when you or your end users place a service call? And then also asking how experienced are they with the product? So how long have they been selling it? And then also how often are they able to resolve that issue on the first visit? And most importantly, making sure that the tech team is friendly. Are they coming on site just to fulfill the original request? Or are they ready to ask you and your end users, what else can I do for you while I'm here? Going that extra step is something so easy that a tech team can do, but many don't. And it's really the difference between a managed print service provider and a managed print service partner.